Hello, welcome to E Prime. This evening I am Daedran. The Reggae Lovers show, Rebel Salute, is in full gear for this weekend. The two-day reggae festival, scheduled for Friday and Saturday, will be held online and right here on TVJ due to the current restrictions in the island. E Prime spoke with veteran artist and show conceptualizer Tony Rebel on this year's format.
You know, every year we always do virtual at Rebel Salute. Meanwhile, you see thousands there at the venue. Millions watch all over the world. However, this time, because of the pandemic and for the safety for the people, we want to make sure that we go only virtual because Rebel Salute is the people's show.
Tony Rebel also shared details on what fans can expect from this year's show.
What fans can expect? You can expect the unexpected. Please know that we are here to fulfill your musical needs and greed. And if we do that when you're in the venue, we'll do that when you're watching it on the various platforms and on television. Some great moments of Rebel Salute will be also highlighted.
Rebel Salute started as Rebel's birthday celebration before growing into a massive two-night festival held in St. Anne. Now, the late reggae pioneer Frederick Toots Hibbert and business mogul Gordon Butch Stewart will be posthumously honored with the keys to the city of Kingston by the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation during Reggae Month. Toots passed away at the University Hospital of the West Indies last September after a period of illness. The reggae icon was the lead vocalist of the Toots and the Maytals, which was formed back in the 60s. The group is pivotal in birthing, shaping and popularizing reggae music. Meanwhile, the hotelier and businessman Gordon Butch Stewart died in January. He's known for his great impact on local and regional tourism. Stewart has also contributed significantly to brand Jamaica through his various business ventures. The keys to the city is one of the highest honors that can be awarded by the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching. See you next time.